I got a package. I wonder what it is. Let's see here. Huh. It's from Travis P11. Tea? So for today's unboxing video, I'd like to show you a package I got like a week or so ago from Travis P11. Let's see here. Tea? Where is it? Where is it? I can never find anything. This reload bench is a mess. Look at this. I mean, really? I really gotta get better control over this. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Oh, look at all this in the greenhouse. I mean, really? It's just in the way. What am I gonna do with all this 223? Oh, that's 556. Oh, here it is. Yeah, all right. I got this like a month ago from Travis, and I just haven't opened it up yet. All right, let's go ahead and tea. Damn it. Okay, enough joking around. I've had this box for like 2 months. I'm not gonna lie. When I saw that it was from a tea company, I said, yeah, I'll get back to it. And it did get buried underneath stuff multiple times. It's about time I opened this up to just see what's up. So this comes from Travis P11. We send each other stuff all the time. You know, hey, I kind of like this stuff. Give it a try, see what you think, that sort of thing. So let's just see what he sent. It's taped up really well. Alright, it says here, tea is more than a drink, it's an experience. Well, if you like tea, it is. I've had tea before. I will drink tea, but it's a rare thing for me. It really is. So this comes from the Greenleaf Tea Company in Lincoln, Nebraska. And let's see what it is here. So this is China Green, Gunpowder Organic. Okay, I'm already starting to like the sound of that. Okay. It looks like it's in a vacuum sealed pack here. I didn't know that tea came in grains and granules. I'm gonna have to send Travis a text before I do any review on this. And let's see, this here, this is Assam Organic, and this is the black tea, which I do kind of like black teas. I prefer black tea over green tea, to tell you the truth. Let's see, this is a black tea. This is Masala Chai Organic. I don't even know what chai means, but I see it on a lot of teas. So, okay, it's got multicolor here. And then we've got here, this is a tea grill. Alright, my guess is you put this in the grill and you dip it in hot water like a tea bag. Travis, you're getting a text shortly. Oh no, you're busy today. I'll talk to you about it in the pre-show on Caliber Corner. Okay, so we'll be back to see how poorly I do making tea, I guess. So I'm not going to review all 3 teas in this video. I'm going to review one, and then I'll review the other 2 at a later point. So I decided to go with a black tea because I could use a little pick-me-up this afternoon. And I checked with Don't Call Me Mrs. Squibload, and she said the black tea will probably wake me up a little bit more so than the green tea. So we're going to go ahead and go with the Masala Chai Organic. And according to the instructions, it calls for 1 tablespoon at 208 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes. So I've taken some purified drinking water, I've heated it up in the microwave for 3.5 minutes, and the thermometer is just above 200 degrees. So we're ready to go. I went ahead and I washed this contraption here with just some Dawn dish soap, and there's a latch. You open it up and you put the tea inside. So I'll go ahead and I'll break the seal on this. And I'll simply open it up and measure out 1 teaspoon. So I was having trouble getting this open and didn't want it to go everywhere on camera. So I turned off the camera, and as soon as I pulled it behind the camera to open it, it popped open. But I'm really glad that I did stop and quit focusing on filming this and looking at it. I realized that I had a tablespoon. The instructions call for a teaspoon. So I put the cup back in the microwave for a minute because it had already cooled 20 degrees. When I took it out, it was boiling. So we are definitely hot enough now. Put this teaspoon into the little ball here. Close the clasp. And we're going to come back in 4 to 5 minutes, see what it looks like. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this out. I've got some more tea ready because I'm going to brew some more. It's a real light color. Kind of smells a little bit like cinnamon. I'm going to give it just a little bit more to cool off before I taste it. So I've got another cup of tea, and this is cooled down enough. I gave it about 3 more minutes to set. I went out in the garden and picked a couple tomatoes. It's still hot, but it's not so hot that I can't have a little sip here or there. I get hints of cinnamon. I can't even say it right. Hints of cinnamon, but it's not overwhelming. I don't like a lot of cinnamon. And if it's not cinnamon I'm tasting, then I'm not really too sure what it is. I'm not really sure what else that is. I'm afraid I'm not that sophisticated. But it's not bad at all, actually. It's really not that bad. So I'm kind of interested to try out these 2 teas here. We've got the Acai Organic, which is black, and then we've got the Gunpowder Organic, which is China Green. So I'll be doing reviews on those in the next video. As for right now, I'm going to continue to sip on this, and hopefully it gives me a little bit of energy this afternoon. It's not bad. It's just, because it's so hot, I'm thinking it's just something I can just sit and relax, maybe watch a few YouTube videos, and just enjoy. Thanks for watching. And Travis, thanks for the tea. All right, what does it taste like to you?
An orange spice.
An orange spice.
I'm not a fancy tea drinker, but this is what an orange spice to me would taste like.
So I'm tasting citrus and I don't know it?
I don't know how to explain it. If you're not a tea drinker, you won't know.
Oh, I hope this doesn't turn me into a tea drinker.
It's good. I like it.
Well, there you heard it from the boss. Thanks for watching.